So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. So it is an absolutely gorgeous sunset, and I just wanted to share this with you all really quickly. And I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see it at all, but it's absolutely gorgeous out where I am. This is why you can see that I'm really freaking sunburned. But yeah, I finally have some really good news for you guys. This is more of a hopeful video because you guys have seen all the negativity floating around the internet, on the TV if you have it, and oh my god, that is just an absolutely gorgeous sunset. But you guys are more important, so wow, that is amazing. But I just, you know, times are hopeful right now. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the proof that Uber's not going anywhere. Uber's here to stay, guys. So all the drivers, everyone asking, saying that, you know, Uber's gonna end, Uber is no more. Even myself, I thought that for a while. Lyft, I'm not so sure about. Lyft, that's a whole nother story. But Uber, on the other hand, the CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi, is fully confident that they're not going anywhere. So I'm going to talk about that in today's video. Before I do, guys, if you can just give the video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. And I did also want to, you know, stress, because a lot of people in the comment section have been saying that that I shouldn't be asking people to sign up for Uber at this time. And I'm not. I'm really not. I'm not at all. What I am doing is, you know, with the whole referral code thing, what I am doing is asking people who already did sign up, who forgot to use a code, to apply a code retroactively. If you don't know what that word means, then maybe that's what the confusion is. Retroactively means going back to do something. So you signed up for Uber, there was a little thing that said referral code to get your bonus, sign up bonus of up to $1,000, and you left it blank. So you already did sign up. I don't know if that makes sense, but say you already signed up with no code. Now we're giving you an opportunity to go back and apply a code. I'm sorry, but like, there's just so much confusion still, which I don't see how it's confusing at all, but maybe that is what it is. So yeah, so if you already signed up and then you forgot, I don't know, you're already signed up though. I'm not like encouraging more people to sign up. If you're already out and driving, you should get your sign up bonus, and I don't know, whatever. So without further ado, let's get this video started. I'm gonna sync up my phone here, put it up so you guys can follow along with me. And here we go. I'm gonna click on this article in 3, 2, 1, click. Okay, and now I'm gonna scroll down in 3, 2, 1, scroll. Uber surges 43% after its CEO said that it has enough cash to get through this. I can't say that. Uber's skyrocketed as much as 43% Thursday after CEO Dara Khosrowshahi said on a call with investors the company is in a solid position to weather the blank. Can't say that word or else I'm gonna get demonetized. Uber's balance sheet is incredible. By the way, guys, I just want to like address the elephant in the room. I'll still keep this going, but like Uber has Uber Eats, you know? And Uber Eats demands are really high right now. So like For all the drivers who are like, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Go out, turn on Uber Eats, man. Girl, woman. Do some deliveries. Yeah, it might suck. Maybe you don't want to go out and deliver food. Maybe you don't want to go out and deliver food for 3-4 months, but do what you gotta do, you know? If you really need the money, you really need the money. If you don't need the money, then don't go out and do Uber Eats. But if you do need money and you're like, I don't know how I'm gonna pay my bills, go out and deliver food, bro. Deliver for Uber Eats, deliver for DoorDash, do Grubhub, Instacart. The grocery stores are filling up again. So yeah, you're gonna be able to like do shopping now. It's like, before doing Uber Eats at the beginning of all this was like, bro, good luck, dude. You're gonna maybe have 10% of the items. But now, I mean, it's, you might have to still call them and be like, hey, you know, they don't have this exact brand, but do you care if I get another one? And most like people are gonna say yes, because they just want food. People aren't picky right now with food. They pretty much want what they can get. So like, yeah. Anyways, shares of Uber gained as much as 43% to $21, and it was down to what, 14 or something, 17 during the day Thursday. The gain is a reversal from all-time lows the company saw this week amid investor panic. We are well positioned to weather this, Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi said on the Thursday call. Uber balance sheet is incredibly strong, he said, adding that at the end of February, Uber had $10 billion in unrestricted cash. We have plenty of liquidity on the books, which positions us to come out of this crisis strong and capable. So this kind of puts Uber in an interesting position, because yes, he said this well, I don't know if he said this to push the stock back up, but he basically said this to, you know, keep investors happy or whatever, and keep people from, you know, basically also for drivers to be like, all right, yeah, I can keep driving. And also for passengers to be like, okay, I am going to continue to do Uber in the future. But at the same time, that just goes to show, guys, all those fees that Uber's been taking from drivers, they have $10 billion. And so, yeah, I mean, that's just a lot of money. Like, they're just, I mean, there just goes to show, like, they have a lot of extra money on them. Uber's not broke by any means. I know they report out a loss every quarter, but I guess they just have a lot of unreserved cash, unrestricted cash. I don't really know how that works, so if you do, let me know. And it's not going to the CEO. His net worth is only $200 million, which is a lot still. If you don't believe me, Google it. But yeah, so anyways. And this goes to say, guys, Uber's smart, because what did Uber just recently do? They started doing free delivery on Uber Eats platform. So they're not charging for delivery fees right now for anybody. Why are they doing that? Because, guys, Uber's actually probably going to make money out of this whole thing, which is crazy to even think about. Because of the, you know, everyone's down. But like, hear me out right now. What's going on right now? People are ordering food, tons and tons of food, right? Where are they ordering it from? You have these platforms: Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, Postmates, and Caviar. I don't know, whatever's in your market. But Uber just recently announced that they're doing free delivery, no fees at all. So what does that mean? People are going to order a ton of Uber Eats. What happens with Lyft? Lyft has zero delivery, food delivery. No one's using Lyft right now, but they're still using Uber. And a lot of new people who maybe only use Lyft in the past, or who don't even really use rideshare, they're getting accustomed to Uber. They have the Uber Eats app. So what are they most likely going to do after this whole thing blows over? They're going to take rides with Uber over Lyft. Uber, it will completely destroy Lyft after all this. It's crazy. You think now Uber's popular? Lyft is going to be dying after all this blows over, because Uber will have Uber's customer base is growing right now, which is absolutely crazy, because they're targeting all of America who's at home ordering food. And who's doing that? Literally everyone. I mean, I'm not ordering food because I like to cook my own food, but like, there's a lot of people doing Uber Eats right now, which is absolutely crazy. So like Uber by no means is ending. If anything, they're gonna get bigger after all this. This is almost like a good thing for Uber. I hate to say it, like, and I don't, well, I mean, a lot of people would say that Uber is selfish, but and like regardless of the fact, here we go. Even it says right in this article, our Eats business has become an important resource right now, especially by restaurants hit by containment policies. Even in Seattle, it's still growing. Yeah, so Uber Eats is growing, guys. Lyft shares went up as well, but I mean, that's just because people think Lyft is pretty much the same as Uber. So that's all I have for you guys today. I just want to share this. Like, that's my thoughts with everything that's going on. I don't think Uber's going anywhere. And in fact, I think they're getting bigger. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.